HAPS do not rely on ground infrastructure, as they fly in the stratosphere. They are non-terrestrial communications infrastructure that can provide communication services with low latency. Since they are non-terrestrial, the communications network can be expanded over a wide geographical area easily. Billions of people around the world face various problems due to unstable network connections and inability to connect to networks. HAPS are expected to eliminate this disparity. Space Compass, which is focusing on the speed of market entry, is now putting its hopes on the HAPS Zephyr produced by Airbus. It achieved maximum altitude of 76,100 feet in radio wave tests in 2021. It also completed an 18-day flight to set an official world record with FAI. It has demonstrated its ability to provide a sustainable network even in extremely low temperatures in the stratosphere. In the test flight during the summer of 2022, it successfully completed an approximately 2-month flight. Going forward, we will continue to conduct experiments and demonstrations aimed at becoming a service and to proceed with developing the necessary legal systems.